Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest insights into India's defense technology and innovations. Today, we're diving into an incredible development that marks a golden era for India in submarine manufacturing. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, or MDL, is set to embark on a historic journey, building 21 advanced submarines over the next 20 years. Let's take a closer look at this ambitious plan and its significance. First on the list is the much-anticipated Project 75I, which involves the construction of 6 new-generation submarines equipped with state-of-the-art air-independent propulsion (AIP) systems. These submarines will greatly enhance the Indian Navy's stealth capabilities, operational endurance, and underwater dominance. Next, MDL will build 3 more Kalvari-class submarines, but with a game-changing addition, DRDO's Indigenous AIP technology. This upgrade will extend their submerged endurance and improve their strategic value. Looking ahead to the 2030s, MDL will spearhead the construction of 12 completely indigenous SSK submarines. These advanced platforms will mark a significant milestone in India's self-reliance under the Aatmanirbhar Bharat initiative, showcasing the country's ability to design and build cutting-edge submarines independently. But that's not all. MDL will also focus on refit and repair operations, ensuring India's existing submarine fleet remains combat-ready and technologically advanced. This ambitious roadmap demonstrates India's growing capability in defense manufacturing and underscores MDL's pivotal role in shaping the future of the Indian Navy. These submarines will not only strengthen India's maritime security but also establish the country as a global leader in submarine technology. So, stay tuned as we continue to explore India's remarkable defense advancements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you in the next video.